Hi. Today is 11th of October 2018. Here is the daily horoscope on the go. Aries. If you've got a project at work that's wrapping up, or even coming anywhere close to the wrap-up stage, today is the day to attend to all the details. If you're developing a new donut, start testing the sprinkles. Don't go back to the cutting board for a whole new batter recipe. Whatever you've got, you've tested it enough to know it's good. Taurus. Don't let them stop the engines if you have anything to say about it. Sure, even the trained junior engineer thinks it's time to stop shoveling coal and take a little break for routine maintenance. But you know better. This is just the time and place to keep on going, so grab a shovel. Gemini. If you were a mountain goat, you'd find that an elusive toehold on the highest, craggiest mountainside leads to a path that leads to a secret pasture where the most delicious, sought-after mountain goat munchies lie in wait for all the courageous, well-coordinated mountain goats. Cancer. This morning you could receive the materials you've been missing that were keeping you from moving forward with the project you've been itching to wrap up. By the afternoon you're at a real make-it-or-break-it point. Leo. If you find that there's tension in a close relationship, you may get the feeling that this isn't the right partner for you, Leo. Don't automatically assume that the problem lies in your partner. Difficult situations involving the need for love. Virgo. Maybe you've had a plan for a fantastic new approach to work in mind for a while now. Maybe you've been letting the plan incubate, and you've been making sure that the temperature stays just right. Maybe today your little hatchling is going to make a few little cracks with its little beak in its little incubation eggshell. Libra. If you're fixing somebody's plumbing, they're going to be grateful. Ditto if you're reconfiguring their computer. Ditto if you're helping them decide what to wear to a career-altering interview. Ditto if you're lending an ear while they go over the problems in their relationship. Scorpio. You're a good person to have in charge. Why? Because, for one thing, you're a very responsible human being. If you've got something to accomplish, by golly, you'll accomplish it. Also, you're a good person to put in charge because you pay attention to the little things and to the big things and to all the things in between. Sagittarius. Do you toast the toast or boil the water first? Do you go to work via the bus along the water or take the bus that runs through downtown? What catches your eye en route? These are little things, sure, but they give your life texture and flavor. Capricorn. You have a real caretaker's streak in you. Do you take care of business? Of people? Your family? Your friends? Your neurotic boss? It's a good thing to be capable of caretaking. After all, it's one of the most profound gifts you can give another person. Aquarius. It's not surprising that people turn to you when they have a conflict they can't resolve by themselves. After all, you give good advice. And, a lot of the time, you just listen, which is what most people need, most of the time, anyway. Pisces. You have a kind of sixth sense for when other people are under stress. You automatically respond by extending an offer of compassion, whether in words, with a gesture or just by silently acknowledging what they're going through.